Good morning, everybody. It's Charlene Davis here this morning, coming to you from my home office here in Wisconsin. And I wanted to record this quick little video because I often have questions about how to get your system set up and how easy it is. So I am currently promoting the Power Lead system, which has been fabulous. It's the first dollars that I've ever made online, and I've been promoting the system for about 8 or 9 weeks, maybe 10 weeks now. And it is generating an income. Not a lot because you have to build and get to that point. So, you have to stick with it, and over time, you can turn this into a full-time income. But what I wanted to get back to today is once you get started, you will have access to a system. You see it on my screen. This is called our back office. And when you get started as an affiliate, you will get access to this, and then we will also send you an email with some getting started instructions. So the first thing you want to know is that when you come in as an affiliate, everybody comes in as a gold member. That is your affiliate, a gold member. It's $53.97 per month to promote this business. Then once you come in as a gold affiliate, you can upgrade to a diamond, which is a one-time payment of $147. You can upgrade then to our platinum level, which is a one-time payment of $497. And lastly, this is brand new, is upgrading to our Master Traffic Institute, which is a one-time payment of $1,497. Each of these levels will give you an opportunity to get additional training along with being able to earn higher commissions. So when I'm talking with somebody, I want you to come in where it's comfortable for you. So, a lot of people may not be able to come in at the Master Traffic level right away. I am certainly not there. I came in at the diamond level because that's where I felt comfortable. And now that I've gotten some things turning and I've got some income coming in, I will work up here to the platinum very soon. And shortly after that, probably upgrade. But you upgrade when the time is right for you. And basically when you get started, the first thing you're going to want to do is come in and you want to turn as many of these green as you can. So when I got started, all of these were red. And the first thing you want to do is add a domain. So when you need to go in and you need to purchase a domain, and it's $12.97 per year. You can see that right here. And you create a unique domain. Many people have a couple, but my main domain is charlenesfreedompath.com. That is my domain name. Okay. So you come in here and you choose something. It will tell you if it's available or not. And then you will set it up and pay $12.97 per year to keep that domain. Then you'll go in here and you'll set up becoming an affiliate. And that is your gold. And that, again, is $53.97 per month. You have to look at that as a business expense to how much money can I make with this program, okay? Then you'll come in here and you'll want to add your picture, and you can upload any picture right from the internet. You just go here and choose a file and something that's on your computer and just upload it. It's very, very easy. And then if you want to become a diamond, then you can go in here, platinum, and pay those fees so you have access to that training, okay? But the one thing I wanted to show you is how do we get our funnel set up so we can begin promoting our business, so we can begin earning an income. And again, I had said we will email you directions, and it's step-by-step directions. And it's a video, so you can watch the video, pause the video, and click and go along. However, if you come in at a diamond or above, I will go in and personally set up your funnels for you. And it only takes 15 or 20 minutes. So the first thing you'll want to do is in the email that I send you, you will get something that we call a share code. And those share codes is simply a series of letters and numbers that you copy and paste in here, which will get you different funnels that were created by other people, different lead capture pages, sales pages, things like that. And it will upload them into your system. So once you get your share codes in there, you're going to go into websites, and then you're going to go into manage subdomains. Whoops, actually, websites, view all domains. Come on. And then, okay, so we're going to go into websites and then go into websites. And what you're going to do is you're going to choose the domain that you just set up, because that's the only one that you have in there right now until we set up a few others. And you're going to go down and you're going to choose Viral Cash Funnel. Use this one. Save my choice. And your setup is complete. Your funnel is already set up. Then I'm gonna do is I want to attach an autoresponder to that. So when people click into my link, they put in their email address, and you want a series of emails to continue to go out to them. And those emails are already in the system. They're already written for you. So I'm going to, since mine is already set up, I'm going to go here to edit and go to my domain, which is down here. And it will take you to a screen like this. So you will choose these boxes right here. They will be unchecked. And again, this is all gone through in the video that I am going to send you. And then you will choose which autoresponder campaign. And there's one in there called New Viral Cash. It has 19 messages. And these are emails by Paul Farmer. So we're just going to choose that one. And then we're going to submit. I currently have Aweber connected to mine, and that is also an option. So that way my leads, when they enter their email address, they go into the PLS back office and get the PLS messages, but then they also go over into my Aweber, because then I can write them emails on a regular basis to also connect with my list. So when you're first getting started, you don't have a list, and that will come as you generate more leads. But basically, that's really all it takes to set up your basic funnel. From there, you will learn how to set up a subdomain. And a subdomain will look like this. So it's basically whatever is in front of, so here's my main domain, charlenesfreedompath.com. And I actually have a couple of domains. I have another one that's bigprofitmachine.com. But if we stick with like Big Profit Machine, I have one for a Thursday night training. So I have a funnel that's set up. I can send out this link every Thursday for a live training that takes place. Whatever comes before the dot is considered a subdomain. And if you want to know, once you get these set up, you want to make sure that they're working correctly, you can just simply click on it and it will take you to that page, you know, the funnel that you set up, and then you can make sure that it has the appropriate page that you need it to link to. And that's really it on how to get started. There are some additional things in the videos that I will send to you. But again, if you come in at a diamond or above, I will set up all of your funnels for you. And that's one less thing that you have to do, and we'll be ready to start generating some traffic in about 15 minutes once you get set up with at least a minimum of a gold. So right below, if you're wondering how to get started with the Power Lead System, right below my video will be my link. It will give you some quick, easy directions on how to get started. You can contact me on Facebook. You can send me leave me a message on my YouTube channel. And I'm more than happy to answer any questions that you may have. But the question you should be asking yourself is, how much money can I make? And am I willing to work for it? Because success in this online program or any online program, you need to work for it. There is a learning curve. There is a lot to learn. Some of the things that I've shown you, you may have never seen before. So you need to give yourself a little grace and a little opportunity to learn as you earn. So with that, I hope you have a great day, and whatever you do, make it a great one. Take care.